So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And if you are looking for a very unique method, if you have any Motorola smartphone and you want to unlock without entering the Gmail ID account detail, so this video is especially for you. Because of that, if you forget your Gmail ID account detail after successfully hard reset your Motorola smartphone, so in this video I can show you how can you unlock your smartphone without using computer, without using any kind of software tool. In just only 5 minutes you can use your Motorola smartphone without entering the Gmail ID account detail. So let's start the video first. You can see here my friend, this is the interface of latest Android version of 15 and 16 in Motorola smartphone. Okay, so you have to first of all you have to connect the data cable to your smartphone. Only data cable, okay, only charging cable. When you successfully connect this, okay, you have to change your region to English United States. This is very important to you. Because of that, the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same address. Okay, select language and select your region. Done. You can see here. After that, you have to open the emergency call option here and dial *#0*#. But this will not working. So remove the code here and type again *899*0* and call this code. Okay, done. After that, you have to remove the data cable and go back. Tap a screen for few times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, like that, and wait for a few seconds. You can see here this phone is asking to enter your PIN pattern password lock, but you also forget this, so click use my Google account instead here. After that, your phone will again asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail, but you don't have the correct Gmail ID, you forget this, so you have to go back and you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This is very necessary to doing the methods. And when you come in the welcome page, you have to remove the SIM injector tray. Okay, so you have to open the SIM injector tray, and after that you have to start your configuration. Click a skip, click a skip again, go down and click Motorola privacy policy. Go to the last option, click here, go to down and select lenovo.com/contact. So click here and wait for few seconds. Okay, you can see here the new page will open like that. Select your United States region, click accept all cookies, close the window, and after that, when you landed in Lenovo page, you have to go down and click here this a small YouTube icon. Okay, after that you can see here the Lenovo YouTube channel will open like that. So you have to go to the account section, click the setting icon, click the general, select the location and find again the United States. Okay, done. Again open the general section, all done. Click history and privacy, turn on all last both option, pouch and cancel. Okay, done. Go back, and again you have to click the sign in option, but you can see here this is not working. So click this create account, create for my personal use, click the first name and last name, but you can see here again touch is not working like that. So you have to zoom out the display and click this privacy section. So click here to open this, go down, click this the small device option like that. Click here this multi dots, go down, more from Google, go down, click here for accessibility support. Click here with the second option, connect with an accessibility community. Click here accessible form and click here to sign in. Okay, again you have to click the create account, click for my personal use and all done. Click done here, go to the home screen. Okay, and tap display for few times. And done. Your scanner is open now. So go back to a screen again and start your configuration as usual. At this moment you can insert your SIM tray. Okay, just go back, click a start, click a skip, more, accept and continue. You can see here the skip message it comes in this page, means you can easily skip this whole process by clicking this skip only message and done. Your smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this offline service center method. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, so you have to comment only your specific model name. Our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to learn how can you unlock your any Android smartphone at your home at free of cost. This method is fully certified by service center, so you have to only follow all these methods one by one into your logged Android smartphone. Okay, if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So don't try to skip this video at any moment until this phone will open. So you can see here all done. Your Android Motorola smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center method. So if you have any questions regarding this method, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.